What if I told you that a two-stroke diesel legend from the 1980s just made a comeback in 2025? Yep, the unmistakable roar of the Detroit diesel 8V92TA isn't just echoing through the past anymore. It's back, and it's louder, smarter, and meaner than ever. If you've never heard the scream of an 8V92 at full throttle, imagine a mechanical lion that's been force-fed jet fuel. And no, before you ask, this isn't your granddad's rusty yard ornament sitting under a tarp. This is the 2025 Detroit 8V92TA, re-engineered, redefined, and ready to rip pavement. Let's rewind. The 8V92TA was originally introduced in the late 70s, an 8-cylinder, 92 cubic inch per cylinder monster with twin turbos and aftercooling. It powered everything from fire trucks to transit buses and even military rigs. It was loud, dirty, unapologetic, and people loved it. But emissions tightened, fuel prices spiked, and the EPA came down like Thor's hammer. The 8V92 vanished, or so we thought. But in 2025, Detroit Diesel has pulled a move no one saw coming. The revelation. What's new? What's different? The new 8V92TA isn't just a nostalgic nod to the past. It's a full-fledged resurrection with teeth. Here's what's under the hood of this reimagined icon. 1. Modernized performance. First off, horsepower. The classic 8V92 topped out around 500 horsepower. The 2025 version? It pushes a brutal 625 horsepower and 1,850 pound-feet of torque, and that's without sacrificing its two-stroke DNA. That's not an engine, that's a torque monster with anger issues. They've retained the two-stroke combustion cycle but integrated hybrid turbocharging and direct injection tech. So yes, it still screams, but now it whispers to regulators too. Second emissions tech, without killing the soul. Clean diesel in a two-stroke? Sounds like science fiction. But here it is. Diesel particulate filters, advanced DEF systems, and real-time emissions monitoring that meets 2025 Tier 4 compliance. Detroit didn't just make it legal. They made it lethal. On the road and on the charts. 3. Digital integration. Gone are the analog gauges. The 2025 8V92TA connects directly to your digital dash via CAN bus, has adaptive engine mapping based on load conditions, and get this, you can tune it via a secure mobile app. That's right. Grandpa's diesel now has Bluetooth. Just don't let him find out. Transition to application and community response. So where's this beast going? You'll see it in military fleets, legacy coach restorations, even custom rigs. Truckers, engine builders, and gearheads across the country are fired up, some literally. But there's one surprising sector that's embracing the 8V92 revival, and it might just shock you. The surprise and the why. Future implications. Niche market surge. Turns out off-grid power users, remote miners, disaster recovery ops, even some high-end RV conversions, are opting for the 8V92TA. Why? It's bulletproof, field serviceable, and thanks to Detroit's new parts ecosystem, completely rebuildable without a laptop from Mars. And don't even get me started on the sound. That iconic two-stroke whine, it's a siren song for diesel purists. This isn't just about specs, it's about identity. In a world of silent EVs and AI-managed drivetrains, the 8V92TA reminds us there's still a place for analog power, raw noise, and good old American diesel stubbornness. So, why does this matter? Because in 2025, amidst whispering electric fleets and over-regulated engines, Detroit Diesel just threw a flaming piston into the quiet. The 8V92TA isn't just back. It's challenging an entire industry to remember what real performance used to feel like. If you want to hear that raw Detroit scream again, smash that like button, subscribe for more high-octane engine stories, and drop a comment below. Would you run a two-stroke in 2025, or is this diesel madness gone too far? Thanks for riding with us. Stay loud, stay curious, and keep your RPMs up.